Something is happening inside Fujifilm's headquarters that should make every Sony and Canon user very nervous. For years, the debate has been settled. If you want professional performance, you go full frame. APS-C was for hobbyists, for travelers, for people who wanted the retro look, but didn't need the pro power. But as we sit here in February 2026, the leaks coming out of the supply chain aren't just rumors anymore. They are a declaration of war. Welcome to the era of the Fujifilm X-T6. If you thought the X-T5 was the peak of tactile photography, you were only looking at half the picture. The X-T6 isn't just a successor, it's a total architectural reset. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We are talking about the debut of the X-Trans6 sensor, a partially stacked, high-resolution powerhouse that aims to bridge the gap between APS-C and medium format. Why is a Vietnamese retailer already listing 8K video for a camera series that was supposed to be stills first? Why are street photographers panicking over a rumored hybrid-way screen design? And most importantly, is this the camera that finally fixes Fujifilm's Achilles heel, the autofocus? If you've been thinking about upgrading to the X-T5 or saving up for a Sony A7RV, stop. You need to hear this first. We are diving deep into the leaked 200-megapixel multi-shot mode, the new AI-driven X Processor 6, and the September 2026 launch window that everyone is talking about. The sensor, beyond the 40 MP limit. Let's address the biggest question. Is resolution going up? The X-T5 shocked the world with 40 megapixels, but for the X-T6, Fuji is moving toward the X-Trans CMOS 6HR BSI sensor. While the base resolution is rumored to stay around 40 to 46 megapixels, the way those pixels work is changing. The leak suggests a partially stacked architecture. This is the secret sauce. In the past, stacked sensors were too expensive for the XT line. They were reserved for the high-speed X-H2S. But by using a partially stacked design, the X-T6 can achieve lightning-fast readout speeds without the $6,000 price tag. What does that mean for you on the streets of New York or the mountains of Montana? It means the rolling shutter is dead. You can shoot with a silent electronic shutter at 20 frames per second and not see a single warped line. But there's more. Because of this new architecture, the X-T6 is rumored to feature a 200-megapixel pixel shift mode. Imagine taking a landscape shot that has more detail than a flagship Nikon Z9. That is the level Fuji is targeting. The AF overhaul, the AI fix we waited for. Let's be brutal, Fuji's autofocus has always been good, but never Sony good. In 2026, that is no longer acceptable. The X-T6 is expected to ship with a dedicated AI processing unit, a separate chip purely for subject recognition. We aren't just talking about humans and dogs anymore. This system is being trained on intent prediction. The camera will analyze the movement of a bird's wings or an athlete's joints to predict where they will be 100 milliseconds from now. For U.S. wildlife and sports photographers, this is the deal breaker. If Fuji can deliver a 500-point intelligent focus system that sticks to the eye like glue, they will dominate the market.